our channel. My name is Christian. This is my gorgeous girlfriend,
Brittany.
Guys, welcome back. Today, we're gonna be heading down to Orlando, Florida. And this time we actually get to fly, which we usually fly every year, but we drove down a couple months ago, or last month. We drove down last month, and driving is terrible. If you have the opportunity to fly, you need to fly. It takes like 50 minutes from our airport, and we're flying out from Lexington, Kentucky. So yeah, 50 minutes.
I'm super excited. We're gonna go to 2 Disney parks and all the Universal parks.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
I'm ready for it.
And last time we checked out Volcano Bay, and this is the first time that Brittany's family is gonna be checking it out. So it'll be a fun experience for them, and it'll be a ton of fun.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna head to Florida and we're gonna show you our journey on the way there.
Yep.
And we're gonna show you guys around the resort area that we're staying.
Yeah, we're gonna show you all around where we're gonna be at for the next couple of weeks, and like she said, show you our journey and everything we're gonna be doing today.
Alright guys, we made it to the airport.
My hair is everywhere, but here we go, guys. We're about to take off, head to Orlando, you know, get her vibing on. What do you think about it, Cody? You ready? Cody's ready. Everybody else is ready?
Alrighty.
Alright guys, we'll see you on the plane.
On the plane.
So guys, we made it onto the plane. We're about to head out. It's been a safe travel so far, and yeah, super excited and ready to get there. What do you think?
I'm super excited.
Alright, here we go.
This aircraft is turning right back around to go to another Allegiant destination. And on behalf of your entire Sanford, Florida-based crew, we'd like to thank you so much for flying with us today. It's been our pleasure serving you. We hope to see you on another Allegiant flight. Welcome to Sanford.
We made it.
Finally.
I was saying finally like it was a long time. We could have took 13 hours.
Yeah, it kind of sucks because it's raining here. I thought that where it was raining we'd get here and it looked sunny and pretty, you know, but it sucks that it's raining here.
It won't be raining long. It's Florida, baby.
Yeah, hopefully it quits raining because we'll be here for 3 weeks, so we'll see you guys when we get back to our resort area. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna insert 2 videos. The first one that I'm gonna show is gonna be the room that we got this time around, and then the second one's gonna be the one that we got in May when we came to this resort area. The first one also is gonna be like it's gonna show the old version, how it used to be, because it hasn't been updated at all, and the second one is the one that they've renovated and updated.
Oh, here's the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. Oh, I can tell because look at the sink.
Yeah, that used to be there. This is, oh.
And the best area is right here. And then they got this sick hot tub over here.
Yeah, they used to have like rocks over there. It used to be so pretty. It used to be like a little waterfall and rock. They took it away, kind of sad, but.
Yeah, last year, or year before last, when we come here, they had a big waterfall over there. It's super nice.
Yeah.
And you better walk right here.
They have a couple different things here. They got like tennis, basketball, volleyball, and they have a gym, and then they have this game. I'm not really sure what this game is called, but it looks fun.
It's called Shuffle something?
What's that? Shuffle score?
So it's a game of shuffle, I guess.
And they got like little picnic areas over here, which I think is cool, and they got a grill. I think sometime this week we're gonna grill out. I think it'd be nice. When we stayed a couple weekends ago, we stayed over here. It was the new renovated rooms. Here's the gym. I don't weigh myself.
I don't want to go.
Okay, here is the ping pong table that they got. It's just Parkway International on it. Okay, so you guys comment down below which one you like better. You like the old style, like your old timey, or you like the new updated modern version?
I like the updated version.
I like the updated version now that I'm looking at the old one again. When I first seen the modern one, I was like, well, I don't really like it. But when I come back to the old one, I was like, dang, never mind. This is kind of old looking.
Yep, it is really old looking when you compare the two.
But it's just what I've been used to for 20 years now. So I was like, well, I'm so used to it, I didn't want it to change. But I like the modern one better. But you guys comment down below which one you like better. Our wait time is 3 hours and 15 minutes, which is okay. So we're gonna go around Disney Springs and look around in the meantime. And when our 3 hour and 15 minute mark hits, then we'll be back to eat. What are you getting here?
I have no clue.
He's probably gonna get a big old burger.
Probably.
I'm gonna get me a steak.
Look.
This is me. I work out. Just kidding, I take that. Yeah. Okay guys, I stopped by the Goopy Candy Co. and got me a slushie. It's I think a fruit punch and pink something. And I got a little souvenir cup with it. Cute, you want some? Okay, that's enough. Alright guys, 3 hours later and we're almost about to go in. They're about to call us to go in back here, and I'm super ready because I'm starving. I was starving 3 hours ago, but I'm ready for it. Are you ready for it?
I'm super ready for it. I'm starving. We have waited like 3 hours and 30 minutes, something like that. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't take too long to actually get our food brought back to us.
Yeah.
Brought to us.
Yeah.
I'm freaking starving.
Yeah, me too. So we'll see you guys when we start going back there.
Alright, let's definitely come in here and do all of
This is what I'm going to do right here, okay?
Sitting here,
good. Look at that.
Oh, it's up to do it.
Look how good that
Talking about
looks.
heaven, look at this over here.
Look how good.
Show it. Look at this nacho plate.
Oh, it's raining.
Beautiful. They put the elephants this way.
Go for it. Tristan, give it to me.
What did you get?
I've got the, well, I haven't ordered yet, but I'm going to be getting the barbecue bacon cheeseburger. But for now, I've got the, on the menu here, which it's the beef lava nachos. And then we ordered some cheese sticks. But the beef lava nachos has the Jack's cheese, cheddar cheese, and we opt out for the green onions and the sour cream, even though I would have went with the sour cream. But yeah, I'm ready to try those nachos.
Yeah, me too. I think I'm gonna order, we did order the nachos together, so I think as my actual meal, I'm gonna order the New York strip steak. Right here, the
Look at this.
primal steak. Choice center cut New York strip. That's what I'm gonna get. Guys, look how good my drink looks. I got a strawberry lemonade. And it looks so good. Baby, tell us what you got.
I got a bacon barbecue cheeseburger. Now tell me that don't look fire. Maybe gain about 10 extra pounds. Yay.
Alright, this looks so good.
Barbecue burger for you.
And here's what I got. I got the steak with the mashed potatoes and the rice. And it looks so good.
Okay, Brittany. Rate your steak.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Is it that good?
Yeah. It's got a little bit more red than I usually eat, but it tastes really good.
Here's my burger, guys. I'm waiting on some mayo. Then I'm gonna hop right in. Lexi looks like she's got some shrimp, steak, and mashed potatoes. Cameron, he's killed something, got a whole rib.
Killed this elephant behind his kid.
Barbecue burger, some fries. Lisa, what do you have over there? Steak?
Ribs.
Steak and ribs. More burgers, burgers, and burgers.
And steak.
What do you think about the burger, Cody? Good?
This is really good.
Alright,
Guys, thank you
guys.
guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Cam and Lex. If you guys are new to the channel, please give the video a big fat thumbs up. And yeah, signing out.
Oh crap, you oughta. Don't forget about our giveaway. We're giving away $100 when we reach 200 subscribers. So to be entered, you gotta like our videos, comment down below, and be subscribed to our channel. Alrighty guys, I guess that's a wrap for today. We had really good fun today. The next couple of videos that we got up are going to be Universal and Epcot. Stay tuned for that, and we hope you enjoyed this video.
Yay! See you on the next one. Deuces.